Meg.
Thank you.
Y'all, I think mine's on backwards. Or maybe the other me has a little more going on upstairs. Just feels like something's
Missing?
maybe two things.
No. Just one.
You're late.
So late.
Are you coming? Thank you.